Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you have already watched my previous tutorials, thank you so much for coming back. Today I'd like to share how I made this watermelon chain bracelet, and this is the last of my 3 fruit themed chain bracelets which I shared this week. And one thing I would like to explain here, which I also explained in the ending of my last tutorial, is that when I make the pattern and submit to Bracelet book, I try to make it in the simplest way possible in the pattern format. And when I make a tutorial and explain and share how I knot, I try to share the way that I find the easiest to knot. So there are a couple of differences. So neither is a mistake, so please don't get confused. And this watermelon chain bracelet, once you get the hang of it, it's quite easy and fast to knot. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful and enjoy knotting as well. Okay, so let's get started. In order to make this bracelet, we need 4 strings. For the chain, which we use blue here, we need 220 centimeters or 7 feet 2 inches. For the red, we need 150 centimeters or 4 feet 11 inches. For the green, we need 95 centimeters or 3 feet 2 inches. And for the black, we need 70 centimeters or 2 feet 4 inches. Align the black and green strings as shown with the overlap of 20 centimeters or 8 inches and put the center of the red string in the center of the overlap part. Make 1 lark head knot with the center of the blue strings onto all the 3 strings. Make sure the first working side has the short green string and long red and black strings. Take the chain string and make 6 backward forward knots onto the other strings. Flip the side to work on the other side. Make sure you have the short black string and long red and green strings on this side. Take the chain string and make 6 forward backward knots onto the other strings. Form the loop and set the strings as shown. While doing so, make sure you set the short strings coming out from the loop aside. The string order from the right will be blue, red, black, green, red, and blue. Next screen shows the same start after knotting a few motifs. First, make 1 extra chain part with 1 backward forward knot using the chain string onto the red and black strings. Take the green string and make 1 double backward knot onto the red string on the left. Take the green string and make 1 backward forward knot onto the chain string on the left. Take the black string and make 1 backward forward knot onto the red string on the left to connect both sides. Take the red string on the right and make one backward forward knot onto the black string. Take the same red string and make one forward backward knot onto the chain string on the right. Take the red string on the left and make one backward forward knot onto the green string. Take the green string and make one backward forward knot onto the chain string on the left. Take the red string on the left and make one forward backward knot onto the black string. Take the black string and make one double forward knot onto the red string on the right. Take the red string on the left and make one backward forward knot onto the green string. Take the green string and make one backward forward knot onto the chain string. Connect the two red strings in the center with either double backward knot or double forward knot. Take the green string and make one double forward knot onto the red string. And this will complete the watermelon motif. Now take the chain string on the right and make 5 backward forward knots onto both black and red strings. After this, make sure the black string comes on the left side of the red string. Take the left chain string and make 4 forward backward knots onto both red and green strings. Now we're back to the start. Repeat the steps until it reaches the desired length. Okay, so here I finished knotting with 8 watermelon motifs and 7 chains in between, and I added one more chain part on the right side and finished with 3 strand brace on both sides. And now so I'm gonna cut here. And it's done. Okay, so quick announcement before I finish is that I said next week I will be doing 3 more food themed chain bracelets tutorials, but I think I am going to change the plan. I'm sorry, and I'll try to do some other themed chain bracelets. And also this week I tried to do 3 tutorials, but next week I think it will be only 2, and I think 2 per week will be a good pace for me. So I'll try to keep that pace from now on for a while. And so I hope you understand. So thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you soon.